How to make and create ebook cover on Canva PC. Hello guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to create ebook professional cover on canva.com. First thing, log into your Canva account or create one. Now this is the home page. Click on create a design and search for ebook. Click on ebook cover and choose a cover from here. You have many professional covers, as you can see. Click on the one that you want. For example, let's choose this one, and you can edit the text and the pictures and everything. You have many templates, so professional and cool, as you can see. After you finish editing, click on share and download. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching. See you later.